And in this video, I'm going to share with you what I do to edit my sneak peek for QPC. So as you know, QPC, Quote Pay Collective, they provide a lot of resources for its affiliates, and you can go to the Classroom tab in your school and you go to Affiliates. In here, you can find the QPC sneak peek right here. Just click on that one and you will see the URL link for your Canva, so you can click here to get your template. Make sure you already log in to your Canva so you can edit it right away. So here are some checklists that you need to do. Here's just some basic stuff that I'm working on, and if you want to add anything, you can go through and add more. So the first thing is a Canva name. I will edit it to the QPC sneak peek with my IG name Rich Go Root over here. Next, we're gonna change the IG handle. So in the beginning, wherever it say Rich Go Root here, it is actually, let me open one for you so you will see. I will open a complete new one. So it will be different from the one that I already completed. So when you open it in Canva, it will look like this. So in here you will see that the IG handle that they make is a bit different. It's not just my name, but it's like this. So you can see it right here. I'm sorry for my slow internet connection, but you can see that it's say your IG handle like this. I'm editing on my MacBook, so I'm not sure how it is on your Windows, so you need to check, but basically this is what I do. I just copy the whole your IG handle here. I copy that one and I find all of the IG handle here, so you can see there are 22 places that you need to change, right? So I will change it to my Rich Go Root like this, and I will replace all, and you can see it will become my handle name like this. So now I already finished it, but I want to make mine a bit different from others, so I add my cover photos right here. And to do this, you can go to the elements and you find a circle template, and you can drag one here like this. And I actually want to make one at the end of the sneak peek, so I can just go to the end and I will put them here like this. Okay, this is just for an example, so I will put it like this. I might change it later. Now let's go to the next part. We're already done with the Canva name, the IG handle, and now we get the we actually done with the picture as well. And now we go to affiliate link. You need to log in your Stan Store. Make sure you already request for your link, and you can just copy this link. Okay, it's already copied. And now I'll go back here, and you will see that anywhere it has the word click here, okay, here you need to find click here like this, and you will see there are 20 places, and what you need to do is you go to each place, okay, just copy like this, and you will find the link section. I already linked, so I don't see it anywhere here, but let's take an example. For example, you copy this, all of this, and you will see this hyperlink here. Just click on that and paste your link, okay, paste your link in here like this and click on done, and you will do the same for 20 places like this, and it should be fine. And now you will need to go through all pages and you will read everything, and there's a part where it say where to host your offers, okay? So in here it includes the affiliate link for Stand Store with the creator link. I don't have Stand Store, so I'm fine leaving it here, so anyone click here, she can get a bit of a commission from it, and I'm completely fine with it. But if you have your own Stand Store link, you can insert it here. Okay, so basically that's it for everything that you need to edit for your QPC sneak peek. And finally, we need to get our link, right? So you can just click on share and then you click on public view link. Copy that one, create public view link, and here we copy this link. And here is my sneak peek. And that's it, guys. This is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And if you decide to buy QPC from here, from my link, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.